Are you being tired of making to-do lists and making daily schedules, but nothing seems to work? Are you in the stage where you have tried your hands of different things like time management tricks, time management tips, some blueprints and quick fixes, but nothing seems to work? Well, before you are at the right place. In this video, I am going to reveal some magical principles of time management which will make you smarter in time management. So let's dive into the video. Hi guys, this is Kia and you are watching Wholesome Vibes. In this video, I am not going to give you some quick fixes or some blueprints or boring daily routines like 10 habits to install or 9 techniques, but I am going to share you 3 steps for effective time management. Yes, you heard it right. You need just 3 steps for effective time management. So let's dig deeper, guys. So the first step is identifying your priorities. What would I say? Lack of time management skill does not mean lack of time management, but lack of priorities. You would say, what? Why? Here's how. In the world, most people does not having priorities at all. And the other side, few people have priorities, but not having clarity about that priority. So to clarifying you in this world, the first priority of you is yourself. Your physical health, your mental health, your peace of mind, positivity, self-love, and your career. The second priority would be your family, your parents, your spouse, your sibling, and all. And I would say your third priority would be your friends, your colleagues, your boss, your work, and all. So this is how your priority would look. So after having clarity about your priorities, you have to decide which tasks are important and which tasks are least important according to your priorities. For instance, in my case, the most important task according to my priorities is doing exercise, performing meditation, reading books, practicing positive affirmation, learning new things, attending course and all. The second most important task according to my priorities is to spend time with my parents, having deep conversation with them and helping them in their needs. So this is how you can also analyze your important task according to your priorities. So the second step for time management is to understanding the energy pattern of your brain. What if I say that time management is not about managing your time, but it is about managing your energy level? Yes, you heard it right. In our day, we all have same 24 hours and that all hours are same. But during that day, we don't have same energy level at every each hour. Yes, you heard it right. Our brain has also the energy level, or on the other terms, the battery levels as our cell phones and devices have. As per the books which I have read, the most or the peak energy level begins at the morning. So you should spend these hours in doing the most important task of your life. For the instance, in my case, I usually complete all my important tasks during morning, like going in the walk or performing exercises and doing meditations, learning new courses and all the things in the morning. So after the morning, your energy level start to diminish and, or in the other words, the battery level hits the bottom. So in these hours, you can do the least important thing of your priorities. Apart from them, at the evening, your energy level slightly raise up to 50 or 60%. So in these hours, you can also re-perform the important task of your life. As for instance, I also do spend time with my family in these hours and do the trip or help them in the needs in these hours. So likewise, you can also analyze your energy level and set up the important task and the least important tasks according to your energy level. The third step is to declining and delegating. In this step, you have to say no to the all things which is being hurdle in the way of being effective in time management. You have to say no to the Instagram scrolling. You have to say no to the recreational call of others for just the fun. You have to say no to the others least important task which is given by others to you. You have to say no to the all distractions which are interrupting you to doing your important task. The other thing is delegation. So simply we all have the limitations and we can't do the all thing on by our own. So in order to be effective, we have to delegate the task to the other which can be performed better than us and produce the more efficient result than ours. So yes, we have to declining to the all interruption and we have to delegate the task to the others for producing the better result. After knowing these three magical principles, we can easily introspect why the to-do list and daily scheduling are not working because they aren't inclining in our energy level and we can't also relating them into our priorities. So yes, this is the thing. Apart from these three principles, I would like to give you a bonus tip, which is to scheduling your important task on the weekly basis rather than on the daily basis. The main reason behind making it on the weekly basis is in weekly basis you get the larger scale and you can easily organize your work. So yes, this was all the three principles and one bonus tip for the time management skill. If you have gained some of the values by this video, then please hit the like button, and if you want me to post these kinds of video, you can subscribe this channel and comment me and let me know should I make these kinds of video or not, and also share these kinds of video to the others who will need this. So this is for this video and thanks for watching.